In this video, I'll show you how to create a Gmail account on your mobile phone. You don't need a computer to create a Gmail account. You can easily create one with your smartphone. The steps are pretty much the same whether you use an Android or iPhone. First things first, open the Gmail app on your phone. If you don't have it installed, you can download it for free from the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on your iPhone. And then tap on the Add Account button. You'll see a list of different email providers. Since you're setting up a Gmail account, select Google. At the bottom of the screen, tap Create Account, then choose For Myself. Enter your first and last name, then tap Next. Provide your birth date and gender, then tap Next. Choose your Gmail username, your new email address. When creating a username, you can use letters, numbers, and periods. This is the name that appears before the @gmail.com section of the address. This email address must be unique. If the username you want is already taken, you can try adding numbers or periods, and tap Next. Create a strong password to secure your account, then tap Next. Choose a strong password you'll remember, aiming for something that's at least 8 to 12 characters long. Add numbers and symbols to make it harder to guess. Make sure it's easy to remember, or write it down and store it in a safe place. After entering your password, tap Next. If Google asks for a phone number, then you'll need to do this to verify your account. Enter your number and tap Next. You'll get a verification code on your phone. Check your text messages for a verification code. Copy and paste or type in the numbers. If you're satisfied with your name and email address, tap Next. Read Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, then tap I agree. That's it. Your new Gmail account is ready to use.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.